The ends of this bench are secured with through tenons that are fastened with square pegs. These through tenons are 5/8 of an inch thick. So when we cut these new mortise holes in the tenons, we want them to go completely through the tenon and then into the rest of the stock below, just a little bit, maybe 1/4 inch. Okay, so here is the 7/8 inch mark, and we're going to put the mortising chisel right in the upper part of the mortise. Get it bottomed out good. All right. Connect the drill. Then drill down to the 7/8 inch mark. Now chisel the rest of it out. So we've marked the bottom of the mortise here on the chisel out. So putting the chisel back in so we can clean all the debris out of the hole with the drill bit. Looks pretty good.